Welcome back to Autocar024. The 2025 Ultimate 4x4 Sprinter Van, a true game changer in the van and SUV market. Whether you're in need of a powerful workhorse, a family adventure vehicle, or simply a stylish and capable all-terrain machine, this Sprinter van promises to deliver on all fronts. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 model boasts a bold, rugged design that immediately stands out. The front grille is larger and more aggressive, with sleek LED headlights that provide exceptional visibility. The sculpted body lines give it a muscular yet refined appearance, and the raised suspension hints at its 4x4 capabilities. It's clear that this van is built to handle a variety of terrains, whether you're cruising down highways or tackling off-road trails. Performance is where this Sprinter really shines. Under the hood, the 2025 Ultimate 4x4 comes with an upgraded 3.0-liter V6 engine, providing ample power for towing, hauling, and off-roading. It offers impressive horsepower and torque, making it a great option for anyone needing heavy-duty capabilities. Coupled with an advanced 4x4 drivetrain, the van can easily navigate through rough terrain, making it perfect for both business and adventure. The new suspension system enhances stability and handling, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. Inside, the 2025 Sprinter van is a masterclass in comfort and functionality. The cabin has been redesigned to maximize space, with high-quality materials throughout. The dashboard features a modern infotainment system with a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. The seats are supportive and comfortable, designed for long trips without compromising comfort. There's plenty of room for cargo or passengers, making it an excellent option for families or those who need a versatile vehicle for work. The van also includes multiple safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring that you're always safe on the road. Now, let's talk about the price. While this isn't the cheapest option on the market, it's priced competitively considering the performance and features it offers. The starting price for the 2025 Ultimate 4x4 Sprinter van is around $55,000, with higher trims and customizations pushing the price to over $70,000. Given its exceptional build quality, advanced technology, and impressive performance, it's a solid investment for anyone looking for a top-tier van. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Ultimate 4x4 Sprinter van. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest vehicles. Thanks for watching. Please